I spend lots of time on Thingiverse, and I keep finding 3D prints that are amazing and easy to do. I want to save you a little time and tell you about them. Here are the 5 most amazing and easiest 3D prints you can do this summer of 2025. First, it's a basketball stand. It's a one-color, one-piece print that's ready in 50 minutes. All you need is to choose the filament color you like, import the STL file to your 3D printer, and start the print. It turned out great. I used a white PLA, and it looks amazing. Second, it's a Duplo to Lego adapter. It's a one-color, one-piece print that's ready in 14 minutes. Again, all you need is to choose the filament color you like, import the STL file to your 3D printer, and start the print. Now you can use Duplo and Legos on your build. Flexible snake. Despite its many pieces, the whole snake is printed on one single print. It's very cool, and you got to try it. It takes a little over 2 hours, but it's a must-have item. I printed it using green filament, and it looks amazing. You can color its eyes if you want. Mini Creeper. It's a one-color, two-piece print that's ready in about 15 minutes. For best results, print its 2 parts separately, then have fun putting them together. It's 2025, and a Minecraft item is a must in your collection. Finally, Deal With It glasses. It's a one-color, 3-piece print that's ready in 55 minutes. I combined the prints for the glasses arms to save some time. Snap the glasses arms into the frame, and you'll have a pair of real-life Deal With It glasses. Thanks for watching the most amazing and easy 3D print of summer 2025. The links to each of these items are found in the description for you to visit their creators. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and stay tuned for amazing 3D prints you must have for Halloween. See you then.